this lesson, we are going to add a new element. So as always, click add new, and we're going to add some columns. So click on this. When you do that, it's going to ask you the different layouts that you can choose from. Now, the beauty about creating columns is that whatever option you choose here, you can always adjust it or readjust it. So for now, I'm going to choose this 1-3. And then you can click to add a new element within this column. So you click to add new. I'm gonna add an accordion. Okay, click to add something else, advanced heading. Click OK. And you can customize this as you want. And then click third one, add a blurb. So now we have the blurb. You can change the images. We did this before, but I just wanted to show you here. You can drag the spacing for it. Let's say you wanted that one to have a little more spacing. You can do that. And you can go and independently change the settings here for each one. So if there's something that you didn't want, you can do that. And if you wanted to add more columns here, you can do that as well. You can also adjust the column settings for this row. So you can go to the default gaps. You can put no gaps. And it's going to close all the gaps. You can put the height, the minimum height. You can change that. Notice I drag it down. It extends. You can choose the content position. It's going to move. You can use the style as we've done several times before. Change the color, the background. You can add even an image with that. So you can experiment with that. You can add the overlay, and with the overlay, the opacity. You see that right there? You can drag, you can put a different color, opacity, you kind of change, and you go to the box. You want to add box solid. Now you have a solid, you can change the colors of the box. So there's a lot you can do here with this columns. You can design it for the whole thing, or you can design the columns for just each section here. So I didn't save that. You can come in and you can make the adjustments for everything here. So that's how you add the columns.